case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the bustling Daytona Beach, Florida, a unique litigation unfolded in the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Middle District of Florida in 1995. The central characters in this legal drama were the struggling Desert Inn Resort Motel and Irene L. Devlin, the motel owner's supportive mother. The motel was grappling with insufficient finances to replace its essential utilities, including its central air conditioning system, boiler, and hot water heaters. In an act of maternal love, Devlin stepped up and agreed to shoulder financing the much-needed repairs. She required a first-priority lien on the motel property to secure her investment. However, the situation wasn't that simple. Nat May Associates, a party with interests in the property, staunchly opposed the plan. And adding to the complexity, the Resolution Trust Corporation, RTC, held the property's first priority mortgage. Interestingly, the court soon clarified the property title dilemma. Ruling that the bankruptcy estate covered all property interests, it underscored that the necessary repair financing could not be obtained by the debtor without significant assistance. In an unexpected twist, the court invoked Section 364(d)(1) of the Bankruptcy Code, giving the debtor the green light to secure financing under a senior lien on the property. This decisive move was permitted due to the debtor's inability to acquire credit in conventional ways. As a result, Irene L. Devlin soared to the top ranks of the motel's creditors. She was awarded a first-priority mortgage lien and hence secured a super-priority status debt of a cool $123,920, overriding all other secured debts. The stakes were high, but the court's decision unraveled the tangled case, affirming the legal flexibility amid financial difficulty, familial support, and opposition from an invested party. The much-needed furnace and AC repairs would eventually be undertaken, thanks to a mother's significant monetary aid under the protective shield of Florida's bankruptcy laws.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.